Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall and remove GoodNotes 5 app from your iPad. So the first step is to tap on this icon to open up your device settings. Step 2, scroll all the way down to General and tap on it. Step 3, tap on iPad storage. Step 4, from here, search for the GoodNotes 5 app and then tap on it. Step 5, once you're on this screen, you need to tap on Delete app. Step 6, tap again to confirm, and you're done. Well, that's how you uninstall and remove GoodNotes 5 app from your iPad. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.